Hi, I'm Jehu Garcia, and I'd like to show you my 1957 VW Samba bus. So what stands this bus from vehicle from all the other ones is that I've converted into an electric vehicle. And here you can see the batteries. Eventually I'm going to have 36 cells for 130 volts, and that's 100 amp batteries. And that should give me, by the time I'm done, I want to have a 100-mile range on this. I'm gonna have to add more batteries to it. It drives AC induction motor in the back, and the cool thing about this is like completely quiet. It has a lot of torque. It's got more torque than the original motor that came in this car, and it's really fun to drive, and zero emissions, so it's green. And I'm still in the middle of it. It's a process, but I plan to have it done by the next Octa here, and it should be nice and finished and painted. And my plan is to give test drives to everybody that's interested in going electric. They're super simple. It's basically a motor and a controller and a pack of batteries, and that's all you have to put in there. And it's super easy to install. A charger, you charge your batteries. I should be able to charge my batteries in 2 hours, less than 2 hours, and go 100 miles. So that's what allowed me to have this car, basically. It was like, okay, it does everything that I want, and it looks like this. It's like, I think it's a perfect marriage of both techs, it's like classic car with new technology. So this is actually my first VW vehicle that I ever bought. My brother got into it like about 10 years ago. And I always wanted one, but it had a lot of problems. See, it's like they go slow, they're noisy, they leak oil all over the place. So I didn't really like them for that. I mean, I like the way they look, but I just driving it, I thought, no, I want to drive a vehicle that has like a modern vehicle, that has a modern vehicle experience.